I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready? Right.
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.
We will do it live, ladies and gentlemen. Live trading session. We're going to be doing the U.S. trading session, closing it out today. About 2 hours left. I made a brutal mistake last night, guys. Good God.
I thought you were street smart, bro.
I thought I was street smart too, Ben Armstrong. I really did. But I left a long trade open on TRX. I'm down 33%, down about $1,000. Not looking good, ladies and gents. But we're going to listen. This is why you don't overtrade, just in case a stop loss doesn't get hit, or you forget to put a stop loss in. It won't wipe your entire account out. So this is a lesson learned for you guys. If you're out there watching, this is one of the reasons. There are many reasons, but this is another reason why you don't overtrade your account. You don't overtrade your account. So it's starting to come back, but boy, I mean, if I were actually trading, I would have been clearly gone short and made some money here. We made, I mean, if, I gotta log back in. All right, so let me log back into Blowfin. We're trading right now live on BYDFi. Link is in the description below. The algo trades over on Blowfin. I'll put that QR code up in a second for you guys. Hit that like button as you come in. Let me go ahead and log back into Blowfin. I like their little QR code scan login thing you can do from your mobile app. That's pretty dope. So, I mean, let's see, where's the TRX trade? Is it open still? No, it is not. Of all the trades, that's the one that's not open. But if I go to history, it will show TRX 33%. There was another TRX trade I thought as well that should have been even bigger than that. I'll have to find it for us, but yeah, guys, I am down right now. We're gonna have to trade out of this. At this point, you know, I'm looking for buys. Again, I went into last night long TRX and forgot to put the stop loss in. So we'll have to figure out. We'll look at the markets right now, look at the charts, look at Bloodalytics. We got Crypto Yo in the building. Ben Frank in the house, Hyben in the house, and of course my guy D Fuentes 420. But he doesn't smoke. He doesn't smoke. Let the nigga tears begin. We in here though. Oh man. LPP, one stack is okay. 1K is okay. It could have been worse. For sure. It could have been worse, LPP. For sure. It could have been worse. So we'll but I was at like, so I took, there was a, after I got off the live stream last night, I was playing around, and I'll show you the scalping system that I've mapped Bloodalytics to for Ethereum. That's the only one so far I've got it to work on, but we're gonna just forward test it. But I was forward testing it last night and took some L's. In addition to that, this 1,000 P&L that we got, so I'm down like from when we stopped streaming yesterday at about 4:30. I'm down about 1,600, but we'll make it up. We didn't get from, you know, we didn't start at 10K all the way to 19 by mistake, or 18.8 by mistake. Yes, I do remember, my friend. We got Azul in the house. Thanks for tuning in, my friend. So we got to make up about an $1,600 deficit here. We'll get that though. We'll make that back. We'll make that back. Not a problem. But Michael Saylor on the other end, oh buddy, he's in the pickle. I'm telling you. I've been saying, and all the people that watch me know for the last year and a half, 2 years, I've been ringing the bell. Well, yeah, year and a half. 2 years, ringing the bell and ringing the alarm on this guy named Michael Saylor, who has purchased $33 billion worth of Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause for him for being able to do that. $33 billion. His publicly traded company has purchased. I don't know how much he's purchased. Not really concerned about his personal. Not concerned about his personal purchases, because as a personal purchase or holder, you know, you can kind of just freely get in and out. But when you're a publicly traded company and all eyes are on you, you're the number one, I guess you want to say, equity play for Bitcoin, then yeah, you can't just willy-nilly sell and buy and sell and whatever you want, right? There are more repercussions for your actions when you publicly trade and you're selling Bitcoin, because it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Is the meme coin meta dead? No. As a matter of fact, the meme coin meta is the one that's going to outlast every other meta, in my opinion. It's just going through a slump. It's just going through a slump. So the meme coin pairs well with the GameFi. So once the regulation is lifted and people have more clarity on that, you're going to see these game houses, these dev houses, implement and integrate cryptocurrencies into their games. It's going to be crazy. So I think memes and GameFi are going to be here forever. So look for plays that will be able to benefit from that. They, you know, in the GameFi world, there may not be any really that's that have been created yet that's really ready to blow. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I know a lot of people like Theta and Theta Fuel and all that stuff. Let me know if you got a GameFi play and we can talk about that. Hyman says, I think it's worse when you have stop losses in and it blows past your stop loss and continues during your... Bro, that's, again, it can happen. People don't realize. They think a stop loss means they're safe. Not really. Not really. Technically, not really. If you have like a gap down, some violent black swan event occur, it can blow past your stop loss easily. Easily. This is why you don't overtrade your accounts. There are a number of reasons. A number of reasons. Human error, market or exchange error, markets moving too fast, blow past your stop loss. It's a whole bunch, ladies and gents. So at any rate, I'm beating a dead horse on that concept, on that thing. But yeah, let's get into the trades for today. Maybe I'll give away this. Maybe I'll give away this scalping, because it's on the 5 second. I got this bad boy tuned in, locked in on the 5 second on US on Ethereum, USDT. Maybe I'll give it away to a couple lucky YouTube premium members. Yeah. Become a member today. See? Get shit like this, you know, you never know. Hit the like button on the way in, though. And let's get into it. We gotta trade ourselves out of this debt. This hole of $1,600 in since my last live stream, about 24 hours. This 1,000 here is user error. Is my error. So let's see what we have on deck for today. I'm gonna do a quick refresh. I'm pretty positive we have no trades ready right now, no trade setups, because we're just so deeply in the red. What I was meaning to show you guys was Bloodalytics over on Blowfin. All these red shorts are in the green. 273%, 280%, 120, 229, 113, 80. So those did very well. And I'm still in it. So I was definitely, like, my signals are on point with, you know, the market direction. It's just the BYDFi account, because I trade that manually. It's actually more accurate when you trade Bloodalytics manually, like you with your system, and you eyeball it and you do your trades not automatically. It's even more profitable. But let's take a look. Let's scan through our trades. Again, I don't think we have anything ready because we're so far in the money with these shorts. And matter of fact, let's show the let's show this first. Let's show the overall market, see what's going on. Not looking good, I tell you that much. And I got a clip I'm going to show you that I watched last night from Peter Schiff. When I tell y'all, this is confirmation. Not saying that Peter Schiff is You know, we know his his calls on crypto were the worst ever, right? I believe my man Max Kaiser introduced him to and actually gave him some Bitcoin back in 2012, maybe 11, 12 or 11. And he knew about Bitcoin back then and has all the way up from a couple dollars to $84,000. He has been telling everyone that follows him to not buy Bitcoin. Round of applause for the contra trade of the century. You can't get any worse than that. But everything except Bitcoin, I like Peter Schiff. I do. I'm not that big of a gold bug. Like, he pushes it. That's his, that's his book. He's gonna push his book. So that is what it, it is what it is in that regard. But I've got a clip, and let me load it up now so I can have that ready. Because this is going to, he is echoing. It's like he was watching Crypto Blood. Swear to God, it's like he was watching Crypto Blood. Let's see. All right, there it is. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just queuing this up. All right, I got it queued up. So let's take a look at the overall macro picture for the crypto markets right now, because it's not looking good. I'm gonna be honest with you. So as you guys can see here, we have completely rejected the 88 zone, which I told you guys will future or previous support becomes what? Future resistance. That's exactly what happened. We came down in here, we broke right through it, and when we saw the breakthrough, I'm like, it was a full clean breakthrough. Like, this was like not even stopping for a break. This bad boy broke right through our zone of support, 88 to up to 90, ran right through that. You're always going to get a bounce, dead cat bounce, some will say, and then we rolled right over and couldn't sustain ourselves back even up to this trend line, which is the bottom part of the channel, downward channel here, which I told you to watch us breaking back through this channel, because that was very critical. That was a critical zone there. So now we're all the way down here, right? And as I've stated before, there's a wide gap. Like, there's no help for us. I don't see any help until $76,000 Bitcoin. And really 73. I think a few people talked about 73K Bitcoin yesterday. 73, 70K, roughly that range is really the next target I have to the downside. I don't see any other support for us, which is crazy. Absolutely crazy. So let's look at the Bloodalytics, and I'll show you the scalp signal for Ethereum that's looking really good. And I'll maybe share that, do a spin and share that with one of the lucky YouTube premium members. You guys get that, because I don't know if it should be standard trading view. If you have like a standard trading view account, you should be able to get the 5-second chart. I'm not sure. that's the big issue with me sharing a lot of my stuff. You got to have like pro level accounts for the various types of charts and stuff that I'm using, and custom time frames and stuff like that. But most people should be able to pull up the 5-second chart. So maybe I'll share that with one of my YouTube premium members on the next spin. Maybe Monday we'll do a crypto signal giveaway. We'll look at that too, man. This it's looking good. It's looking really good. But we shall see. So I want to first show you guys, give you the rundown on the Bitcoin trades and the Bloodalytics trades for Bitcoin. So we've been taking profit. We tried to go long here earlier at 9 a.m. but we began our short trade here at 7 a.m. this morning. And we've been riding that bad boy pretty much down all the way. Again, tried to go long here at 9:47. Took some profits right here, but we ultimately rolled back over and went short at 11:16. And we've been taking profits all the way and ever since that 11:16 short. Ethereum, even better. Went short at 7 a.m. this morning, 7:30. Tried to go long here, and we rolled over and went back short at 10:34. So, and this was a nice short we took Sunday evening into Tuesday. That was a long short. Solana, same thing. You know, we're in pretty good short there. Took some profits. Doge short at 11 this morning. Haven't taken any profits yet, but Tron, we closed our short and reopened. No, we didn't. We tried to go short a second time and end up closing that short. So we're neutral on Tron right now. That was the one I was trying to find on the list. Couldn't find it because we closed it literally at 1:49, just about an hour ago. So I don't know, man. I don't know if I should keep this long. This long on Tron open, or just cut my L right now, man. Y'all let me know in the chat room. What should I do? Will I get a chance to recover some of these losses, or should I just cut my L's? I almost think I should cut my L's. We'll figure that out in a second. BNB, again, deep into the money on these shorts. Near short still in play. Haven't taken any profit yet, but H bar deep in the short. So I have literally no trades that I can really put on the table right now, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, D Fuentes mentioned 75K. Bitcoin Shango in the house. Haven't seen him in a while. There you go. Take a step back. You got to live to trade another day, guys. That's why you don't over leverage. If you ain't got no money to trade, then what good is it? You're going to miss the next good trade opportunity. For sure. Let's see here. Let's see what we got here, guys. Let me show you this scalp system on the 5 second. Ooh-wee. Let me see if I can, like, it doesn't let you zoom out too much on the 5 second. All right, this is the scalp system I was working with. Maybe I'll try to trade some of the I'll try to scalp, manually scalp this Ethereum pair over on BYDFi. That's what I'll do. Try to get back some of those gains, but I gotta wait for a long trade because it's been dropping so crazily. But this is the scalp on the 5 second. This bad boy is locked in. And it, you know, scalping, your profit factors are probably going to be below 2.0 because you're taking so many trades. If you can get a scalping system that's above 2, boy, that's really good, but very hard to dial in something that gets you a profit factor above 2. But 1.7 is cool. 84% profitable trades. And this is with trading 4,000. That basically almost an almost 2 ETH. Trading 2 ETH for the last 2 days. Last 2 days. So you're talking about $281 in the last 2 days scalping. Drawdown $137 or 3.3%, in total trades 194 trades. A lot, that sounds like a lot in 2 days, but a lot of those are take profit, so that counts as a trade. So when we do a take profit, that counts towards a trade. And we do a lot of take profits because we're scalping. We're trying to get in and out, low exposure to the markets. And yeah, we'll see how this pans out. I'm just waiting on a long trade. If we can get a long trade, it'll make me feel a little bit better. ETH is the new stable coin. Why not just go short, or do you think we are due to go back up? I don't want to go. I think we're extended. We're pretty extended MP in this trading session. I will be a little hesitant to go short at this point because we're so deep into the green on the shorts that we do have open. Worst case scenario, I would just go flat, go neutral, close this, take the L at 1,000, and then just wait for a bounce. But let me see. Let me go back in time to see what we have as support for TRX. The only other place I got is about here. And then we have more support in this range. And then right here. So that's all I got, man. You know, so I don't want to go short with a potential bounce here, you know, off that first support line. And then, you know, I'm asked out. I end up losing on my long and then losing on my short. Voice Crypto said, what we talking about? We cooked. It's over. It's over. BitSource AML in the house. Thanks for tuning in, my friend. ETH is the new stable coin. That is funny. BitSource says, so we're getting close to the wait and see remove longs category. Man, I left a long open from last night, man, or yesterday evening. Fear and greed way too low to short anything right now. DCA at this point, enjoy the gains in the near future. Yeah, I mean, I just don't see, from like a DCA perspective, we could go much lower. But as an active trader, I gotta be a little bit more nimble than that. Let's get the account view up. Let's see. Let's get the account view up, guys. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? All right, let's move this over here. All right, so we got the account view up. Not looking good. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. If we break and make fresh new lows, I'm out. So I'm just gonna set an alarm. Actually, I can just do a stop loss. Copy 2228. Come over here and we'll just do a 2228. We'll do 2225. So I'm gonna lose about $1,100 on this trade if it continues to head lower. But at least I have some reference point. Like I know we start heading, you know, down here. And let me do an alert. That's what I'll do. Add alert. So I got an alert set. If we break this zone, I will know what's going on. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. And if we do end up going long, get a signal from Bloodalytics to go long on Tron, then I'll add to my long. So I'll add some more to this. That'll bring my dollar cost average way down. And then I may be able to climb myself out of this. We'll have to see. DCA, let's see here. What we got? Do you think that the big guys are allowing nation states and U.S. states to buy low, tinfoil hat strapped on? No, bro. Listen, we're about to watch. We're going to watch here a video from Peter Schiff, and he really, you know, it's about MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor, right? But he really points out some stuff that I didn't even think about. I didn't even analyze the amount of Bitcoin that's been purchased, right? There's a lot of buyers, big buyers, institutional buyers getting into Bitcoin, yet we're in bear market territory now. We have a 20-something% correction, maybe 30% correction from top. So you got to ask yourself, well, if we got all this buying, who the hell is selling? What is going on that we don't know behind the scenes? What players are selling and why? You know? So we're going to watch this clip in here in a second. Let's see what this scalp trade on ETH is looking like. Maybe we can get some scalps in. on the 5 second. Peter Schiff is the Adam Schiff of crypto. Definitely. Spot on. Spot on. Spot on, bro. Let's watch this scalp. See if we can get into this scalp. Scalp long. Yes, sir. Trying to turn around a little bit on this Tron. Catastrophe of a long left open from last night. Let's see, man. I got my stop loss basically below recent or local lows. So if we go any further, make a newer low, then I'm out of there. I'm just gonna have to chuck it up as a L. Win Eps. I don't even want to say it. List. I think soon, man. The next couple of weeks, along with JFK. No, I don't think so. I don't think there's any correlation. You really got the tinfoil hat on today, big force. You got the tinfoil hat on today, brother. All my shorts over on Blowfin looking very strong right now. My reference account. A lot of them are in the. That Solana is a big one. 293% on this short. Still got it open. 287, 290 on the Ethereum short. Still looking to get into this Ethereum scalp trade, but haven't gotten the signal to go long yet.
Yo, it's Crypto Blood, Detroit flow, screaming from the D, knowing what to show. Indicators are wrong point, OG since 12, invested in trade, living life like a pro. I'm Rucker, Jerry, and just Blood too. Bad motherfucker, but in a good way, boo. Got my eyes on the charts, ain't no time to sleep. Get that money, gotta keep it creep. That's why Crypto Blood, 2 Satoshis on the line. Stacking my coin, got the market on my mind. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum too. Cash is king, but I'm looking for a new move. I know the culture of the markets like the streets. Got my finger on the pulse, can't nobody beat. I see the trends, I see the flow. Got my strategies in place, you know.
Rice TVX, the Mike's live wire. American Pitbull, real gold buyer. Sound money advocate, vice defender. In the crypto arena, he's the top contender. From the gritty streets of the digital age, Rice lays wisdom, chapter and page. Silver, gold, he scores only the bold. Land, life, and liberty, these values hold.
Twitter, surf on. See me, the stands, evergreen at the sun.
Constitution, deep dive, knowledge revival. Navigate the system, critical for survival. Rice engraved like inscriptions on metal. Pitbull in the game, lead foot on the pedal, foot on the pedal.
Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Since I was born, been stacking my coin. These niggas pop, my money keep growing. These girl is a dot, she all on my groin. She blowing my horn, we fucking porn. These rappers is whack, they lyrics is corn. I'm getting this money, it never get born. I'm loading my strap, they calling law. Fuck around and you clap, for running your jaw. If it ain't about the dollars and it don't make sense. Got me sipping brown water, but it ain't from Flint. Trying to chase all this bread, though the shit won't last. About to shut the city down like a crypto crash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash.
Smoking on that crippy got me cliff high. Steam pot, heat rock, slingshot. Surfing through the city while them chips rise. Hot boy, do it big time. LMA with my summer bae, we booed up. Cali hit the bay, we fly MIA, we booed up. Sipping on this drink, bitch, I know the way. We juiced up, nigga violate till it's JFK like your roof up. Coin daddy bout them chips, nigga, rap snacks. Face all in a box, nigga, Snapchat. Fucking with the ops to get you clapped at. No cap, nigga, back.
Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash.
I'm old school, Beretta, eye on the sparrow. I told you, make moves, then get stacked at the narrow. Games make the world go round, you better get some. I don't know about you, me, I'm a prince. I use the digital circuitry to circulate this currency. Move it with urgency, cause the strangers trying to murder me. Prefer I be in my grave while they out sturgeon. Celebrating with my coins, niggas out here sturgeon. Nah, I'ma wash them with some Tide detergent. Pie, you are fucking with the wrong person. For the coins some people coming with all kind of schemes. Silly niggas for the paper doing anything.
Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Ethereum, cash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash.
Stacking my coins by Hooli Gang. Let me see if I can OG. Let me see if I can Q Dog. Let me see if I can get the link for you, brother. This is a subscriber, old school subscriber of mine. He had a rap group back in the day. Shout out to Hooli Gang. Shout out to Hooli Gang out of New York. I'm gonna drop the link for you, bro. It's available on SoundCloud. There you go. Just drop the link to you. Check it out. One of the hottest, dopest crypto songs in the game. This is 6 years ago. Shout out to Hooli Gang. Yes, indeed, Q Dog. Best rap song. Played it first here on Crypto Blood 6 years ago. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Smoking on that crippy got me cliff high. Steam pot, heat rock, slingshot. Surfing through the city while them chips rise. Hot boy, do it big time. LMA with my summer bae, we booed up. Cali hit the bay, we fly MIA, we booed up. Sipping on this drink, bitch, I know the way. We juiced up, nigga violate till it's JFK like your roof up. Coin daddy bout them chips, nigga, rap snacks. Face all in a box, nigga, Snapchat. Fucking with the ops to get you clapped back. No cat, nigga, back.
Stacking my coin, 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 stacking my Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash.
I'm old school, Beretta, eye on the sparrow. I told you, make moves, nigga, stack the dinero. Games make the world go round, you better get some. I don't know about you, me, I'm a prince of the digital circuitry.
Here we go.
Currency, move it with urgency.
Ready to go long.
Trying to murder me, prefer I be in my grave while they out here searching. Celebrating with my coins, niggas out here searching. Nah, I'ma wash them with some Tide detergent. Pie, you are fucking with the wrong person. For the coins of people coming with a
long with ease.
Silly
Let's go
niggas for
long.
the paper doing anything.
Waiting for the signal.
Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. coin, stack of my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Since I was born, been stacking my coin. These niggas pop, my money keep growing. Your girl is a dot, she all on my groin. She blowing my horn, we fuck like porn. These rappers is whack, they lyrics is corn. I'm getting this money, it never get born. Loading my strap, they calling the law. Fuck around your clap, for running your jaw. If it ain't about the dollars and it don't make sense. Got me sipping brown water, but it ain't from Flint. Trying to chase all this bread, though the shit won't last. About to shut the city down like a crypto crash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash.
Smoking on that crippy got me cliff high. Steam pot, heat rock, slingshot. Surfing through the city while them chips rise. Hot boy, do it big time. LMA with my summer bae, we booed up. Cali hit the bay, we fly MIA, we pulled up. Sipping on this drink, bitch, I know the way. We juiced up, nigga violate till it's JFK like Jerufa.
Only for the strong-hearted, baby. Only for the strong-hearted. Yeah, this is on some real DJ diabolical shit right here. Live for you right now. Hit the like button, ladies and gents. Let's go. Trading on the 5 second.
Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin.
Let's see what happens. We kind of down on this one. We might have to reverse the trade.
I'm old school, Beretta, eye on the sparrow. I told you,
like
make
we're gonna
moves,
reverse
nigga,
the
stack
trade.
it to never. Hands make the world go round. You better get some. I don't know about you, me, I'm a prince of the digital circuitry to circulate this currency. Move it with urgency, cause the straight trying to murder me. Prefer I be in my grave while they out searching. Celebrating with my coins, niggas out here searching. Nah, I'ma wash them with some Tide detergent. Pie, you are fucking with the wrong person. For the coins, some people come up with all kind of schemes. Silly niggas for the paper doing anything.
Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash.
We're up about 360 on this short for Ethereum scalp. See how that goes. But we went long on Tron, just FYI, with Bloodalytics. So maybe we can keep this long open and you know, save ourselves somewhat. I don't know, man. We'll see. It's gonna be tough. But that ETH short is looking real nice. Up about 500. Now I lost 700 on the long short, on the long scalp with that ETH play. So just keep that in mind. I lost 700 on that long there. So all right, we taking profits on that Ethereum. Let's get some of that profits off the table. It's not much, but just reducing our exposure in the trade. Oh, wow. Bad boy is dropping. This thing is dropping. This short is a good one. Good play on that one. We're live scalping, live trading, scalping ETH right now. Hit that like button, y'all. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on X. We're watching on X. How many people we got on X right now? We got about 85 people watching on X right now. Make sure you guys follow me. Crypto Blood _ Let's go. dropping, people. We are dropping. We're up 800 now on the ETH short. 900 on the ETH short. Let's go. Give me my money back. But we're down 1,000. That's right. Man, we would never be in this situation if I didn't put the stop loss in yesterday, guys. Human error. Human error. I don't know what happened to Moon Boy. I need to hit him. I need to hit Moon Boy up. Stick around too. I gotta play this Peter Schiff video, y'all. Man, this is he hits the nail on the head, man. In regards to MicroStrategies. Let's take a little bit more profit. I know I don't have an alert, but we're gonna take a little bit more profits off this ETH trade. Almost 30 minutes to the close of the U.S. session. I want to play this video here in a minute. I just got to see what this trade is going to do. This short trade on Ethereum. We're scalping right now live on BYDFi. Let's go. Link in the description below if you want to sign up. A lot of perks. Right now, ETH dead. Yeah, ETH is dead. ETH is dead for sure. Bro, ETH can't compete with these new chains. 67,000 is now MicroStrategy's average price in. Took some more profits on that ETH trade. What a bounce. Now this is on the 5 seconds, so it looks worse or more exaggerated than it really is. This move right here was only really, well, that was a big move. 2% down. Then we moved another 2% up. That's a decent amount of volatility on ETH right now. Not gonna lie. I don't know what their liquidation price is. It's a little complicated actually. And this is what's going to happen, bro. This is exactly what's going to happen. This is what people in the crypto industry don't realize. This is the Black Swan event. MicroStrategies is the Black Swan event of crypto. I'm telling you. I see it from a mile away. I've already explained why numerous times on the channel. But we're going to watch this video here where Peter Schiff really breaks, you know, he hit it home. He hit a home run and drove it home on this one. Let's go ahead and watch a little bit of this MicroStrategy hot take by Peter Schiff on last night's live stream. I'll continue to monitor the trades. We're about break even right now in our ETH scalp, but we've been taking profits. So we may have booked in about, I don't know, $600-700, but we lost 700 on the last one. So that's a break even, roughly somewhere around there. We'll see what happens, but let's watch this video from Peter Schiff.
For the Bitcoin space, is MicroStrategy, although it's not micro anymore, although it's going to be micro pretty soon as far as its stock price, but it's now just called strategy. But the real strategy is how to bankrupt your company, because that's the strategy that Michael Saylor is pursuing. So strategy was down 10% about on the day, although at the lows it was down closer to 13%, but there was a little bit of a rally. But strategy closed 54% below its November high. 54%.
Talked about this yesterday.
This is a brutal bear market. But even worse, because of all the massive dilution, because of all the stock they've issued since then to buy Bitcoin, the premium has collapsed. At one point, at its peak, a MicroStrategy was almost triple the value of its Bitcoin. I mean, maybe 270% premium. But for most of its history, it was at like a double. Like you were paying twice as much to buy MicroStrategy as the value of their Bitcoin. Now, the value of the underlying business, whatever software company is buried beneath this pile of losses, who cares? No one even cares that they're a soft. They ought to spin the software business off.
Yep.
But it was all trading off of Bitcoin. It was like a closed-end Bitcoin fund that it was trading for double the NAV. Well, now the premium is already down to about 18%. That's it. So it's like a 93% decline.
So that's a good point. What he just said there. The premium was about 2x. Right? So if you bought MicroStrategy, you're paying 2x the price basically in value for Bitcoin. If you would have just went out and bought Bitcoin, you would have had one whole Bitcoin. But spending the same amount of money in MicroStrategies, you get half the amount of Bitcoin in value. So he said it's gone from double the value of Bitcoin buying a MicroStrategy stock to only 18% premium on Bitcoin. That's the real loss. The 90%, that is the real loss. And that is where, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to start to see some issues with MicroStrategies. I'm telling you. Let's continue to watch.
In premium. In fact, to add insult to injury, yesterday, Michael Saylor announced on X that they had just bought, MicroStrategy had just spent another $2 billion buying more Bitcoin, right? They borrowed the money. They spent $2 billion on Bitcoin. They didn't buy $2 billion worth of Bitcoin because it's not worth anything, but they blew $2 billion. Their average price on the ones they just bought was $97,500. As I'm recording this podcast now, it's barely $88,000. So they're already down like 10% on the buy that they just announced yesterday. Now, the average price of the Bitcoin that they bought is now $66,357. I mean, their average price and the market price are converging pretty quickly.
Yep.
And because we know he's going to keep on buying, at some point, his average price is going to be above the market.
This is, again, another thing that Crypto Blood told y'all. This is exactly what I said. Peter Schiff, are you watching Crypto Blood channel? I don't know. Probably not. You're a pretty smart guy. But the irony of MicroStrategy's strategy is that they only buy, and they normally buy on pops. So inherently over time, and we've already seen it, their dollar cost average was like in the teens, 19, 20, somewhere around there. And it's just been slowly being dragged up. We're at 66,000 as an average price now. So they're going to inherently continue to buy on pops and continue to drag that dollar cost average price up. And it's only a matter of time before that dollar cost average is way above market equilibrium for Bitcoin. And then they're done. And Peter Schiff actually explains how they'll be done. Let's continue to watch.
Market price, and it's going to be at a loss. But, you got to think about this. Where would Bitcoin be today had Michael Saylor not just bought another $2 billion worth of it? I mean, he is the biggest buyer. I mean, they've now spent $33 billion buying Bitcoin. Most of it in the last couple of months. Yet Bitcoin is at a 3-month low, despite all this buying. So all these Bitcoin holders have got to ask themselves, who's selling, right? Because somebody is selling their Bitcoin.
Somebody is.
And it's not the hodlers who have been conned to never sell their Bitcoin and just go down with the ship.
Might be OTC.
Somebody is selling Bitcoin. And you know, gold was down today, right? Gold was down at one point. It was down like $60. But so what? I mean, I don't even know. It barely got below 2,900. And in fact, it's back above that right now. Gold is trading at...
That's exactly what I've been trying to tell everybody. They're literally running a Ponzi scheme or pyramid scheme on themselves and their shareholders. It's their shareholders too, actually. It's themselves and their shareholders. This is why we might be at the peak, at the top on everything. Like, this type of behavior just screams market top. Not just for crypto, but for equities too.
29.27. It's up about $12 in the evening. It was down about, by the close, maybe $35-40. Gold's now got support at 2,900. That's basically it. The support level, in case you haven't noticed, keeps on going up for gold. And now it's like 2,900. So if you get a break below 2,900, you're getting a bargain. And soon, 3,000 is going to be the support. But gold is no more than 2% less than...
Okay, I don't want to hear about gold, Peter Schiff. Okay, let's get back to the MicroStrategy situation.
Happened to the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust when it was closed in. And remember, I predicted this too. I mean, people think I don't get anything right with Bitcoin because it's gone up so much. But I was predicting when the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust was trading at a massive 40-50% premium, that it was going to go to a discount, and it went to a huge discount. I was 100% right about that, and that was part of what caused the big bear market in Bitcoin. But what's going to happen with MicroStrategy? The only reason that this guy, Saylor, could keep on selling stock is because he was selling the stock at a premium, and then taking the cash to buy Bitcoin. That's where he gets this ridiculous Bitcoin yield that he's been fabricating as if it's an actual yield. Well, when the premium turns to a discount, that game is over. Because if he sold stock at a discount to buy Bitcoin, he'd have a negative Bitcoin yield. So he can't do that. So selling stock is a done deal. Now, he can still borrow money to buy Bitcoin, but who's going to be dumb enough to lend it to him at that point? I think the pool of dumb creditors who want, a Bitcoin without the downside because they think they're getting a free ride on this, that's going to dry up. So MicroStrategy, the biggest Bitcoin buyer, ain't going to be buying any more Bitcoin. Completely out of the market. So if Bitcoin has been this weak with MicroStrategy buying this much Bitcoin, imagine what's going to happen to the market when they're out, when he can't buy anymore. And so the downside is so phenomenal in Bitcoin right now, and nobody cares. Everybody is complacent. And of course, ultimately, and I've been saying, MicroStrategy is going to go bankrupt because at some point, these convertible notes are going to come due. And MicroStrategy is going to have to repay the lenders in cash. And he doesn't have the money.
They're not going to have the cash.
And he just has Bitcoin. And he'd have to sell it.
Exactly.
In fact, normally, if let's say MicroStrategy stock starts to trade at a discount to its Bitcoin, or let's say it's trading at 10-20% discount, which is coming. And that discount is going to be because people are factoring in bankruptcy as a probability, right? But because people said, hey, why wouldn't you just buy? It's a no-brainer. Someone wrote on my X, hey, if it's trading at a discount, it's a no-brainer. And I said, yeah, maybe you have to have no brain in order to buy it because there's going to be a real chance that you don't get your Bitcoin because of the debt, right? Because of all that leverage. But under normal circumstances, if MicroStrategy stock is trading at a discount to the Bitcoin, what it could do to close that discount is it could sell it Bitcoin into the market and then buy back its stock, right? And then the discount could go away if it did that. But MicroStrategy won't be able to do that, because if MicroStrategy ever sold any Bitcoin, Bitcoin would crash. I mean, the very first time people realized that he was selling Bitcoin, that it'd be all over. And so then Bitcoin would crash, and then his stock would crash even more. So
this is exactly what I've been talking about, guys. They put themselves in a negative feedback loop. They will put themselves in a negative feedback loop the moment they're forced to sell Bitcoin, because it then causes everyone else to sell Bitcoin, and then everyone else is going to sell their stock, and then it's just round and round we go, all the way to bankruptcy. Again, round of applause. Michael Saylor, the genius of crypto. Yeah, we'll see about all that. We'll see about all that. But Peter Schiff is spot on with his assessment of what's going on with MicroStrategies, particularly. Now, Bitcoin, again, I think should be fine. As long as there are no security issues with Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin should be fine. Meaning security issues, like if some quantum chips have cracked figured out the algorithm, the consensus algorithm, which is a threat I've talked about many years ago, and it's still a threat. And it's something that if that scenario ever played out, you wouldn't know until it's too late. Meaning the people that are able to crack the code, the Bitcoin consensus code, is not going to let everyone know, like, hey, we cracked the Bitcoin consensus code. You're going to see an uptick in wallets being drained. It's going to start off slow, and then it's going to escalate, and then by the time everyone realizes something is wrong, you're going to have mass hysteria, panic, blase split. But again, X that scenario, I think Bitcoin is good. I just don't think MicroStrategy is good because of their strategy. Pun intended. Bro. You can't make this shit up, y'all. Yeah, but Michael Saylor is a genius. Not in Bitcoin, my friend. Maybe another.
So
category.
There's no way they can ever close that discount once it's open, because they can't sell their Bitcoin. It's a monetary roach motel, right? That Bitcoin checked in, it ain't checking out until there's a forced sale, until he has to give the creditors their money. Because again, they don't want Bitcoin. The people who loaned MicroStrategy money don't want Bitcoin. If they wanted Bitcoin, they would have just bought it. They didn't want to take the risk of buying Bitcoin, but they wanted a piece of the upside. So they thought they were being cute, and they bought these convertible bonds, and they thought, hey, worst case scenario, I get my money back. No, worst case scenario, MicroStrategy goes bankrupt, and you don't get your money back. See, that's the worst case scenario that is coming. But anyway, gold was down. A lot of people were saying, well, gold was down too. See, it's just like Bitcoin. Yeah, gold was within 2% of its all-time record high. Nothing like Bitcoin. Gold is a buy. You want to buy the dip? That's the dip to buy. Although the real dip to buy were the gold mining stocks, which again, they got hammered this morning. They were down 3.5%, 4%, because gold was down. Why? I mean, even though it was down, it's still 2,900. Stop.
All right, he's talking that gold shit again, ladies and gentlemen. But as you can see, he's spot on in his assessment on MicroStrategies, in my opinion. They've pretty much piled in. He called it a monetary roach motel. And he's right. Oh my God, man. Let's see what our scalp trade on Ethereum is doing right now. So we're looking good on this long. We open at about, what time was that? 3:39. right, we just took some profit on that ETH trade. It's still running though. Tron turning around, Tron, trying to turn around, Tron. Try to turn it around, Tron. Let's go. You know, I forgot to actually buy. I was supposed to buy some to bring my dollar cost average down on this trade. Totally forgot because I was trading Ethereum, scalp trading Ethereum, and doing live streams all at the same time. Went long on Bitcoin. I missed that. Maybe I'll get it on the pullback. Wow, Hyben. I know, bro. They have no book of business. It's literally a pyramid scheme. J Crypto Miner in the building. know it. I love some H-bar. All right, trade intuition. I hope not. For the sake of, I mean, for us, that's great, but for old Saylor, not so much. All right, ladies and gents, we're going to wrap up today's stream, closing out the session in the U.S. zone. Hit that like button, share this stream, and actually, I got to put a stop loss on this Ethereum trade because we're not going to make that mistake again. We're not going to do it, guys. So let's go ahead and put that in there now, just in case. All right, so I got stop loss in for my ETH short, stop loss in for my Tron. Long position I mistakenly held open since yesterday. But we're gonna, you know, we're gonna trade that back. Crypto Blood, baby. You know me. You know me. I don't play no games when it comes to this trading. I do it live. A lot of these cats be phony, flogging. They don't be really knowing how to trade, man. But you come here to see some good trades. And we're going to get trade intuition on. You know, every time I say that, I kind of just go live on the whim. So I'm just going to have to telegram you, message you, and see if you're able to come on next time. I'll drop the link so you can come on and show us some of your TA skills and stuff, bro. But other than that, we're out of here, people. Enjoy your day. I'll see you probably later tonight. I might do a rundown. If so, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's get it.
On the beat. It's the rundown. Everything you need to know. It's the rundown. Everything you need for show. It's the rundown. And I ain't even capping on this. Crypto Blood covering every topic on this. Welcome to the show. Who didn't let me go? Breaking down the facts. There's more you need to know. Crypto politics and culture always keep it real. Teaching you the truth, showing you how I feel. Staying forward with me, and I break it down with ease. Every single day, bringing expertise. Current events and trends, I analyze with care. Knowledge is the power that we all can share. Yeah, y'all, hit that like button. Share the stream, and join the team. And you already know what the fuck going on.